Hi guys, so this video assumes that you've read through all of this right now and that you're ready to follow along with me and work through another example of how to mark up and reformat in the online format, how to retrieve your answer, that you want a refresher. I'm not going to be teaching in this video, but I will be role modeling by thinking out loud the kinds of things that you're supposed to do. I'm going to recommend a new strategy. So one strategy is to, when I pull up the demonstration argument for refresher purposes in terms of the operational and the intellectual components of this task, is to copy the argument that I have. I'm wondering, yes, to copy the argument that I have, either by hand or retype it, and then practice, step by step or stage by stage, applying everything that we've learned to apply. And then at the end, work on your own argument. Another strategy that I learned from a student, which I think is marvelous, is you work stage by stage. So, like for example, in the demonstration argument, I'm going to bracket and number. So an idea is after I bracket and number and you get a refresher on that, then you go to your argument and you bracket and number. Then you come back to this video and you look for me to role model applying, the labeling and content principles 1 and 2 of clarifying arguments. That is identifying premises and conclusions and eliminating excess verbiage. So you get a refresher on how to do that with warnings, tips, and reminders, my role modeling. And then you go and do that with your own argument. So you get the sense, right? And then you see me refreshing you on how to reformat, and then you go and do that on your own. Now, a third strategy is that, for example, like this, through cycles, you try to number and bracket the statements in the demonstration argument, then you get the answer from me, check your answers, look for your mistakes, then you try it on your own. Repeat the cycle. Next, try to identify premises and conclusions and eliminate excess verbiage in the demonstration argument. Look at your mistakes per the video, this video, come back to the video and check your answer with mine, learn from those mistakes, and then go to your own original response and label premises and conclusions and eliminate excess verbiage. And just keep doing that till we get through all the steps. Now, in this video, I'm going to add a requirement that I have not had you do for a grade yet, and that has to do with when you're reformatting and some new labels that I want you to include. So make sure you watch this video in its entirety. Again, I am not going to be teaching you anything new. Everything that you've learned, you've already learned everything that you need to do this task and to work through the demonstration argument and on your own argument as well. Rather, I'm going to be role modeling to you as a student the best practices of what to do. And like I said, I will be adding a new requirement.